Now I'm going to show you how I square up those ends that aren't quite square. Like I said, I probably ended up with 21 pieces, and out of that, 3 or 4 needed to have at least one end squared up good. So I take the square there and I get the closest one to square and see where it needs a little work, and then just take the grinder, sand off just a sliver. Now watch this square. See how I can rock it a little bit? That end's not totally square, so I'm just going to shave off just barely anything. Can still rock it, no good. Got to have it so that when I try to rock that square back and forth, it doesn't move. There you go, didn't move at all. So now I got one end perfectly square. I'll turn it around, sand the other end down, and get it right, and that's the way you do it. It doesn't take long. That's why I never worry about cutting them perfectly straight. Most of them come out straight, but if you don't, it doesn't take a whole lot of effort to square up an end. And there you go.